Packet Digital's mission is empowering autonomous systems. Built into the core of our mission, motto, and shared values is really understanding the needs of our customers and bringing in innovation to our customers. As a result, we've really done some breakthrough technologies. Packet Digital builds smart batteries, and so we build a battery management system, combining that with cells. And we really focus on safety and innovation. So we build those solutions to be safe for our customers, and we build a lot of safe features into the battery management system. At the same time, we know customers want high-performing, high-energy density solutions. Today, here in Fargo, North Dakota, we are building some of the highest energy density products in the world for batteries for unmanned aircraft. And along with that, you're getting all of those safety features, which means real-time monitoring, historical information about your batteries. It's giving that operator real-time information about their drone so they can make smart decisions about their flight. They know how much power they have left. They know if there's been an incident with the drone. They can look at the power side, completely understand everything that's happening. Really core to the DNA of our company is power. So we can really solve any power problem that you have, whether that be around solar, whether that be around batteries, whether that be around power distribution for space. We really cover all of those aspects. We have electrical engineering, mechanical design, software, embedded programming, and mobile development. So we're able to not only build hardware, but we're able to build all the software that goes with it. I've always loved solving hard problems, and in power, there's definitely a lot of challenges. Our customers are always looking for longer endurance. Everybody wants more power. They want their solutions to charge faster. They really want their drones to fly longer. And we really love engaging with our customers. For example, Lockheed Martin came to us, and they were looking to be able to provide solutions to their customers to carry more payloads and for longer endurance. We were able to achieve 30% improvement in energy density with their batteries, and at the same time, 10x the cycle life. Another example that's been something I've been working on for a long time is the work we're doing with the Navy. We've been collaborating with the Navy for about 2 years on how do we set the standard for safety for drones aboard Navy vessels and aboard the Navy fleet. We have the honor of collaborating with some very innovative platforms like Terra Dynamics, L3 Harris, Skyways, Shield AI in developing the safety standard for drones.